This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 TQBSC is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 8, smoke detector, water heater, microwave, auxiliary battery, slideout, stove top burner, awning, skylight, LP detector, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 TQBSC is 7,521 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.